Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. The success of a marketing plan depends on launching a unique product that matches the needs of the target customers. A good marketing plan begins with the design of a meaningful offer to customers. Today, we'll be talking about product management and some basic concepts of product management. So, let's see what is all there to discuss today. We'll be talking about product management, layers of product, new product development process, and product life cycle, the most important one. So, without wasting much time, let's start. Before directly starting off with the concepts of product management, let's understand what is a product. A product is the object of an exchange process. It is something of value offered to customers for attention, acquisition, use, and disposal with an objective of satisfying customers in exchange of money. A product can be anything including physical goods like car, mobile phones, services, beauty salon can be an example for that. Experiences, maybe some holiday packages which is offering a great experience. Properties, we can consider entertainment parks and movie theaters for this category. Talking about the organizations, I think schools and colleges are the best example for this category, and events, IPL is one of the best example for this category. Now let's understand what is product management. Product management is an organizational life cycle function dealing with planning, forecasting, production, and marketing of products at all stages of the product life cycle. The role of product management is to define, develop, deploy, and maintain products and services that provide more value than the competitor, help build a sustainable competitive advantage, and offer deliverable and measurable benefit to business. Now, these are the five layers of a product. The core layer of the product explains the reasons for which the customer is making the purchase. This layer explains the reason why of buying the products. The basic product layer is something that the customer looks at while making a choice, like physical features and other tangible elements of the product. Then, the next one is the expected layer, which is a set of attributes and conditions that buyers normally expect out of a product. The augmented product layer of the product is a set of associated services and cues that help the product to deliver beyond the expectation level of the consumer. And the last one is the potential layer. It is a layer where all the possible augmentations and transformations of the product occur for the future market. Now, these are the stages of new product development process. Let's go one by one. Idea generation is the primary step of new product development process. The product manager understands the potential of developing a new product and generates a possible list of untested and raw ideas from consumers. Then we have market structure analysis, which involves building maps outlining critical consumer dimensions, positioning of existing brands on the perceptual map, and indicating favorable new product opportunities on the map. Now, concept screening is all about eliminating the ideas which are inconsistent with the product policies and objectives of the firm. In the stage of concept testing, the product manager is concerned with measuring customer reactions to the new product idea or the concept. Then we have product prototype formulation, where the idea on the paper is converted into a product on hand, which means the idea is converted into a product that is demonstrable and presentable. Now, in product testing, a product manager checks the feasibility and accuracy of the new product's performance. And finally, commercialization and final launch. In this stage, the product is introduced into the market where a product actually begins with its life cycle. This involves three main functions: completing final plans for production and marketing, initiating coordinated production and selling performances, and checking the results at regular intervals, where we can actually assess the performance of a product in the market. Now, after discussing the entire new product development process, let's have a look at the product life cycle. Now, these are the stages of product life cycle: gestation, introduction, growth, maturity, saturation, decline, and elimination. Let's discuss them one by one. Gestation period is concerned with the new product development phase. In the introduction stage, product awareness and acceptance among prospective customers are minimal, sales are low, and then there are high promotional costs. Consumers' acceptance of a new product is low as very few customers are ready to accept a new product. In the growth stage, a product begins to make rapid sales gain because of the cumulative effects of introductory promotion, distribution, and word of mouth communication. This stage begins when demand grows rapidly. Growth stage also contributes to increasing profit levels. And then we have maturity stage. At this stage, sales growth continues but at a diminishing rate due to the declining number of potential customers who are unaware of the product or who have not taken any action in the past. There's no improvement in the product. And parallelly, we have saturation stage, which is the advanced stage of maturity. The product does not have any scope of improvement, and major firms start avoiding direct price competition. After that, we have decline stage where our product starts declining due to various reasons like changes in customer preferences, competitive structure in the market, technology, and some other environmental factors. And at the last, we have elimination stage where products with the negative returns are eliminated as they have reached a stage of negative demand. These were some of the important dimensions of the concept product management. I hope you all had a great learning experience while watching my video. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comment box below. Thank you.